A very warm welcome to my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Today, in this video, I shall discuss with you the topic planets, the sun, the solar system. That is in your chapter, the earth and the solar system. Children, in your previous video, you all have covered the sun and the stars, the universe, nebula, stars, constellation and galaxy. So, today I will just discuss with you all about planets, the sun, the solar system. Now, children, you all can see the planets and they are saying we are the planets and they are moving here and there. The word planet is derived from a Greek word meaning wanderer. Planets are so named because they revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system in order of their distance from the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Planets do not have their own light as they are made up of solid material and gases. They reflect the light received from the sun. All planets are spherical in shape. Some of them have distinctive feature that makes them different from others. Now, in this slide, children, you can see the sun, the head of the solar system, or we can say the father of the solar system. The sun is the largest object in the solar system. It contains 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. It is mainly made of hydrogen and helium gas. It is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth and its light rays take about 8 minutes to reach us. It has a surface temperature of over 6000 degrees Celsius. Now, the importance of the sun in our lives. Children, the sun plays a very important role in our lives. It is the biggest source of heat and light on the earth. The heat and light from the sun is essential for plants to make their own food. The sun is important as it helps in changing seasons on earth. The sun causes water and air currents which cause movements and weather. Now you can imagine, children, how would be life without the sun. Now in this slide you can see the solar system. Children, you can see the planets, how they are moving around the sun in their fixed path. The Latin word sol means sun and thus solar means belonging to the sun. It consists of the sun at the center, the 8 planets, their satellites, the asteroids, meteoroids and comets, all of which move around the sun. The sun lies at the center of the solar system and the 8 planets revolve around it in fixed elliptical paths known as orbits. The sun's gravitational pull attracts all the other heavenly bodies in the solar system towards itself. Now you can see the 4 planets, and these planets are called inner planets. Now the first one is your Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. It is the hottest planet because of its closeness to the sun. It completes one orbit around the sun in 116 days. It is 58 million kilometers away from the sun. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution. Venus. Venus is the brightest object in the sky. It is called the morning star as it is visible before sunrise. It is also called the evening star. You can see Venus in the sky, children. And it is 108 million kilometers away from the sun. It takes 225 days to complete one revolution. Third one is our Mother Earth. As you know, Earth is the fifth largest planet and it is the third planet from the sun. It is also called the blue planet because of the presence of water bodies on its surface. It is 150 million kilometers away from the sun and it takes 365 1 by 4 days to complete one revolution. And you know, it is also called as a unique planet because it is the only planet in the solar system where life exists. It is because of water, land, air, and because of favorable condition that sustain life. It is because of it is neither too cold nor too hot, and the presence of various gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen in its atmosphere support life. Fourth one is your Mars. It is the fourth planet from the sun. It is called the red planet because it appears reddish in color. It is the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is 228 million kilometers away from the sun and it takes 1 year 322 days to complete one revolution. Now comes the outer planets. The first one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the fifth planet from the sun. It is popularly known as the gas giant. It is named after the Roman god Jupiter. It is 778 million kilometers away from the sun and it takes 11 years 315 days to complete one revolution. Then comes Saturn. It is the second largest planet. It is surrounded by 9 prominent rings. It is the sixth planet from the sun and it takes 29 years 167 days to complete one revolution and it is 1427 million kilometers away from the sun. There are rings around Uranus. Can you see Uranus, children? The tilt of the axis of the planet is about 90 degrees. Hence, when it rotates, it looks like a giant wheel. It is 2872 million kilometers away from the sun and it takes 84 years 7 days to complete one revolution. Now the last one is Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the sun. It is named after the Roman god of the seas. It is the coldest planet because it is very far away from the sun and it is 4502 million kilometers away from the sun and it takes 165 years to complete one revolution. Children, you should remember that only two planets, that is Venus and Uranus, rotate on their axis from east to west and all other planets rotate from west to east. And as you know, Pluto was once considered as the ninth planet of our solar system, but now it has been given the status of a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union. Hope you all have understood what is solar system, what is sun and what are planets. Thank you, children.